Charlie, I hope this is what you're wanting. It's me talking to absolutely no one. It sounded like a complete and utter dickhead. But hey ho. Shit, this is fucking muddy. Holy fuckles. Well, yet again, another sign that says keep off. Oh shit. Boom. And the flies. How the fuck have we got flies in October? Wow. Obviously, Charlie behind me gave me the usual signals that we shouldn't be in here. But I'm still going anyway. Even though I've got flies all over me. God almighty. We're going to an old abandoned train station and in a mine. And it says... Oh. Hey, Charlie's glad they got the new tyres now. Holy fuck. Did you see the sign?
No. I mean, I could see a sign, but I couldn't read it.
It was in red. It says no private property. It must be new.
You do not understand the word abandoned.
It's abandoned. Like, that's the only house there. The mine's just over there.
So you're going
up past the house. That road there. Just park in. We're only taking photos, no one's going to mind.
Yeah, sure.
That's the train station though.
I bet he's dead, man.
That's the train station. This line doesn't go anywhere, eh?
How's it looking so new?
New?
Like renovated or what?
No, it's just because when there is a train that passes it from the Tesco at Kinneil.
I've never stopped.
It's the Christmas train, eh? It just goes up the line and then comes back down. But the train does go up and down, but this isn't a used line anymore. This line used to be for the coal mine, for the clay mine, sorry. I don't know how I'm going to turn around because I'm literally using all my energy to keep the bike here.
Are you going down or something?
Well, there's no signs that say fuck off.
Oh yeah.
Huh? Yeah. On YouTube that's Charlie and his chocolate factory. Birkhill.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going up.
I'm talking to myself and it feels uneasy.
What the fuck? Check it out, there's fucking everywhere! Ah!
I left my keys in my bike. Hey, hey. Well, that's how safe it is. He's left his... I know it's got no wheels on it, but he's left his car open, eh?
It's like an advantage for car seats, yeah.
I don't know.
Still don't know how to in a minute.
Oh wait, it's the police.
Oh, is it now? We're breaking in into the mine
Well, on YouTube they're not going to ken.
with all the gold.
On YouTube they're not going to ken. It's a clay mine anyway.
There you go.
It's just clay.
I'm tempted, but I don't know. I wish it wasn't blocked in, man. They should have fucking renovated this
I
one.
just wished I had the fucking shoulder cam, because wearing this helmet's fucking roasting.
I'm just gonna say that.
Well, it's cool. I'm wearing a helmet. Pretty much.
We're making one of these wreck movies.
Yeah. There's been a murder. It's probably the ideal place to actually fucking put a dead body, eh?
Yep.
Well, at least there's no stairs. At least there's no more stairs. See? The word abandoned.
But how far you have to go to actually get to that place?
Doesn't it look like a mine though, does it?
Bloody trees.
The other one's across there, the proper mine. No. That's the pulleys for the track. It's metal. Saying that's metal as well. Eh? Ooh. It's 6
I'm escorted visitors by the I'm escorting you, you're escorting me, right?
and I'm the one with the helmet.
Yeah, so safety helmet. Fair enough.
6 miles of fucking tunnel.
Next time, eh?
Well, you actually wanted to go in.
I'm not saying no. I hate leaving my bike so far away.
I'm going to be honest though, the thought of going up those stairs doesn't excite me. That's a cigar roller. That's for all the rich guys when they were playing in their clay. Seems solid enough.